Very good. Good girl. Can you do it again? Eating your lunch all by yourself. Very good. Yeah. Get some more on the spoon? Can you put some more on the spoon? That's the easier way to do it, isn't it? You want to try it with that hand? Can you do it again? Hey, you're eating your lunch all by yourself. You're such a big girl. All right. Maybe the left hand. Okay. Oh, nice work. Good work. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Would you like some juice? Would you like some juice? Here. Okay.